Science and discovery, the magic of bioluminescence. In the heart of a small seaside village lived a curious and adventurous girl named Maya. One starlit Monday evening, she collected some mysterious bioluminescent plankton from the glowing bay by her home. With her magnifying glass, she peered closely at the tiny creatures inside a darkened jar. Maya marveled at their brilliant glow. She wondered why these tiny creatures could light up in the dark. What magic makes them shine? She asked herself. The next day, Maya visited the village library. She found a fascinating book on bioluminescent creatures and began to read about their incredible glow. She learned that these tiny organisms have special chemicals called luciferin and luciferase inside them. As she read further, Maya discovered that when these chemicals mix, a reaction occurs that produces light. This was an amazing revelation. She sketched the chemical process to help her understand it better. Armed with this newfound knowledge, Maya returned to her lab at home. She shone a flashlight on the jar and watched as the bioluminescent plankton glowed brightly. "I did it!" she exclaimed. The next day, Maya shared her discovery at school. Her classmates were amazed. She even prepared a presentation about different types of bioluminescent creatures like fireflies, jellyfish, and anglerfish to inspire them. Maya's friends were fascinated by the glowing creatures. They begged to visit the seaside and see them for themselves. The teacher agreed, and soon they all embarked on an educational field trip. Armed with their own magnifying glasses and jars, they ventured out to collect samples of the glowing creatures. They explored the tide pools and marveled at the tiny organisms that illuminated the night. Back at school, they analyzed their samples and compared them to what they had learned in Maya's presentation. They even shared their own discoveries about the different types of bioluminescent creatures they had found. The next day, they shared their discoveries with the whole school. The kids were amazed by what their classmates had found. They learned so much from each other, and Maya was proud to have sparked their curiosity about bioluminescence. At home, Maya shared her adventure with her family. They marveled at the glowing creatures and the knowledge she had gained. That evening, they all looked out onto the starlit bay and saw the tiny organisms shimmering in the water. Maya had not only learned about bioluminescence, but had also inspired her classmates to explore this fascinating topic. They had discovered new things and shared their findings, fostering a sense of curiosity and learning among the children. The magic of bioluminescence was more than just a glowing light. It was the spark that ignited a passion for science and discovery.